Hey guys, welcome to Timber Mill Design. I'm Alan. Here at Timber Mill Design, we bring tips and tricks to you, the woodworker. You might be just starting out, or you might be testing the waters to see if you want to start out. Today, we're going to talk to you about, do you need clamps? Yes, you do. How many clamps? All of the clamps. If you get enough clamps, go buy 4 or 5 more, and then maybe another dozen, and you still might need another clamp. What size clamps do you need? Every size, from small, we've got this cute little thing right here, to larger clamps. We have a squeeze clamp that is larger. We have a larger Bessie. And then when you finish, check out my video on bar clamps. Bar clamps, they were a little long to fit on the table, so we did that in a second video. So if you want to know about bar clamps, we use them all the time. Check out that video, bar clamps. We use every kind of clamp. Should I go out and buy brand new? Not if you can help it. They're expensive. If you can afford it, go get you what you need. Get you a good brand. I've tried cheaper clamps. They fell apart. They didn't hold well. I've had trouble with them. You need quality. And so when you're trying to find quality, if you don't have the money to go buy a bunch, look for a yard sale or an estate sale. That's a pro tip. That's something you can use. Everything that you see here, some of this came with me, some of this I bought in an estate sale. I went to where an old woodworker was having an estate sale. He'd been in the business for 40 years, was getting out of the business and selling everything he had, and I bought, goodness, I think it was probably 60 clamps for a fraction of the price that I would have bought anywhere else. And so I have a plethora of things here today. That's a weird word. Wait a minute. Oh, producers. Oh, I can't say producer. Shameless plug. Oh, don't say that either. Sorry. Yes, right here, shameless plug. Follow us at Timber Mill Design, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Subscribe to the channel. And remember, we're Timber Mill Design. We're doing a small shop doing big things. Okay, back to the clamps. Here we go. On the clamps, the things that I use the most is all of them. Every one of them are useful. There's times that when I just got to grab something quick and I grab a squeeze clamp and I lock it down, hold it for a second in order to get what I need in there. If I need power, I'll reach for the big Bessies right here, and they've got clamping power. They're going to hold anything like a vise. If I've got a little bitty thing that I need to hold together, I've got 2 boards and they're raising up, I'll pinch it together with one of these small clamps right here and put a brace between them. This is a neat little clamp. If I'm trying to joint a board, it fits right in here. It screws shut right there on the end, and it tightens them, and that's going to allow the glue to set up. Those are neat. I use them all the time. There's not a clamp that I don't use, and I'm still looking for more clamps. And if you got a favorite clamp, reach down and type it in the description down there. Reach out in a comment to me and tell me, this is what I use all the time. If I've got a clamp here and you're like, I don't know what that is, ask me. I'll reach back out and I'll type it in and tell you what I've got. If you've got a clamp story of like you went to an estate sale, a yard sale, and bought the mother load, share that with me. I'd love to share it to all of our people and let them know what you got. And again, reach out to me in the comments. Let me know. These are just some of the clamps we use. We have a slew of them. We use them every day. So if you're a woodworker starting out, you'll want to go out and get you as many clamps as you can get. And don't go super cheap. You want something that's going to be strong, that will last. And don't forget to check out our next video, our video on bar clamps. And those are awesome. We use them all the time. And we'll see you back here, right here at Timber Mill Design. Have a good day.